Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, ChargeBee and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever a new subscription is created in ChargeBee, we want the data to go in Google Sheets. Let us first know what these two software applications are. So ChargeBee is a subscription management system, whereas Google Sheet is your favorite online spreadsheet program. The problem here is that ChargeBee and Google Sheets don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to send data from ChargeBee to Google Sheets. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this with an example on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the Pabbly's website, and from here product section I'm going to go to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free. So I'll go down and here at Pabbly Connect I am going to select access now. Okay, so now we are here at dashboard of Pabbly Connect and now we are going to create a new workflow. So I'll select on this. And now we have to give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give it as ChargeBee to Google Sheets. Okay, so I'll create this. So this is the trigger dialog box when this happens. And you can add the action steps by clicking on this plus button over here. So here we want to integrate ChargeBee with Google Sheets. But in order to do that, we are going to take help of Pabbly Connect. So first we'll integrate ChargeBee and Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with Google Sheets. So first I am going to select ChargeBee over here, this one. And in choose methods, I am going to select new subscription. Because our topic is whenever a new subscription is created in ChargeBee, we want to send the data to Google Sheets as a new row. So I'll select this one. You can select the other method as well, and if you want a new method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to connect with ChargeBee. Okay, so credentials you don't have to worry. In API, I am going to go to ChargeBee and then get it. To get the API key, log into your ChargeBee account, go to API keys and webhooks. So let us go to ChargeBee. Okay, so here we are at ChargeBee and here I am going to go to settings and you can see this configure ChargeBee. Okay, so we'll go down and here is API keys. So I'll select it. So I'm going to select add API key from here. So now we are going to select full access key. So now you have to name this API key. So I'll name it as ChargeBee to Google Sheets. Okay, so I'll create this key. So let us copy this from here and we'll go to Pabbly Connect and let us paste this over here. Okay, so we have pasted our key. In parameters, you can see enter your ChargeBee site name. Enter your ChargeBee site name. For example, Pabbly will be your site name from ChargeBee URL. So we have to go to our ChargeBee and here you have to select this from here till test. So I am going to copy this, Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so now we have filled all this data. Let us save this. Okay, so now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so here you're not getting any response because there is no subscription created in ChargeBee. So let us go to ChargeBee and create a new subscription. So here is subscription. Create subscription. Okay, so I'm going to enter the name as Steve Stokes, email stokessteve@gmail.com. I'll add the phone number as well. Okay, subscription details, plan name, let us select the Hustle one. Okay, rest, I don't think so you need to fill anything else. Now let us create the subscription. Confirm. Okay, we have created a subscription successfully. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response, we have got all the details. So Steve Stokes was the customer's name, email, number, we have got the details. Now let us save it. So we have successfully integrated Pabbly Connect with ChargeBee, and now we are going to integrate Pabbly Connect with Google Sheets. So I'll select on this plus button. Okay, so here I am going to select Google Sheets. In choose method, I want to add new row as soon as a new subscription is created in ChargeBee. So I'll select this. You can select whichever method you want. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. So now before moving further, let us go and create a blank spreadsheet. So I'll go to a new tab. And I'll go to Google Sheets and let's create a blank spreadsheet. So I'll name this blank spreadsheet first. Okay, so this is the name of my spreadsheet. Now let us add some fields over here. So first field is name, then email ID, then plan ID, and last let it be plan amount so that we can know how much amount a person has paid. So we have added all these 4 fields. Let us go back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the account where my Google Sheet is stored. So I'm going to select on it. So now here you have to give it allowance. So I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure. So I'll click on OK. So you can see it has got some fields over here. Spreadsheet. My spreadsheet name was ChargeBee to Google Sheet. Same is here. It was sheet 1. Correct. Okay. So now let us map all this data. So name. This is then email ID. It is here. Plan ID, let us get the plan ID, this is 1, then plan amount. So this is our plan amount. So we have successfully filled all these fields. Now we'll save and send test request. Okay, so we have got the API response. That means Pabbly Connect has got the data from ChargeBee and now it has transferred it to Google Sheets. So I'll save this and let's go to Google Sheets and check if this data has come there as a new row or not. So I'll go to Google Sheets and yes, you can see all this information is stored over here properly in a new row. So name, email ID, plan amount. So we have integrated ChargeBee with Google Sheets. So now let me show you this once more with an example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So I'll go to ChargeBee and now I'm going to create a new subscription. So I'll create subscription. Let me enter the name as Ria Matthew. Okay, email is ria@gmail.com. Mobile number is okay. So now let me select a plan name. So this time let it be scale. Okay, so I'm going to go down and create subscription. Okay, confirm. Okay, now let us go to Google Sheets and see if the subscription details is added as new row or not. So I'll go to Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see Ria Matthew, email ID, plan ID and the amount is over here. So here what would have happened? First the information would have gone from ChargeBee to Pabbly Connect and then the information would have gone from Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now every time there is a new subscription in ChargeBee, we'll have a new row in Google Sheets.
Not just these 2 software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.